Hello and welcome you all at my channel Knowledge 24. In our previous lecture we discussed about different working modes of Python. Now in today's lecture we will see how to create and run the Python program using practical way. So for this we have to install CPython distribution, which is by default available on python.org website. Now there are two types of modes, interactive mode and scripting mode. So firstly we have to work on interactive mode. For work on interactive mode we have to click on start button, then click on all programs, and in this we have to click on Python 3.7 and then go to IDLE Python 3.7 32-bit, and after clicking on this the Python shell will be open. Now this is the Python shell, and in this here it is the Python prompt. We have to type a command, single command at a time in front of the Python prompt. So for example, suppose we have to type our first program hello India, then we have to type print hello India and then enter, press the enter key. So the output will be display hello India as the output. We can use any other type of statements, or we can create our calculations in this interactive mode. For example, we have to add three numbers, then we will simply write three numbers and press the enter key. So the result is displayed and 12 is the result. Now this is the interactive mode. Suppose we want to execute multiple commands at a time, then we will use scripting mode. So for going to scripting mode we have to click on file, then click on new file. Then this is the different window, and this is the different Python shell for the scripting mode. Now this is the blank without any Python prompt. In this we have to write our different type of program. In this we right now we will simply type a program which is hello India. So for this we use simply print hello India, and then in this we will not use any semicolon, and after writing our complete program then we have to save our program. So for this we will go to file and click on the save button or Ctrl S as a shortcut key. Now where to save, and in this we have to write our program name. So hello dot py. Py is the extension. Without this extension it will not execute the program. Now our program is saved. Now it is ready for the execution. For execution we have to click on run and run module, or we can use F5 as a shortcut key. Now hello India is display. So this is the different window. Our program is on there and the output will display on the different window. So this is the scripting mode. Input is here and output is here. So this is the scripting mode. These are the different type of ways we can use in our programming, and for writing a program or different type of applications, creating application, we can use scripting mode as this type. So this is the way you can type your program. Thank you.